Are you sure you're supposed to do that?
That's something you're not supposed to do. I'm not gonna be the guy who gets blamed for it.
Damn.
Well, it's been a long day here at HQ. At a very pivotal moment here.
Oh, you're filming. I thought you were just talking all serious.
Yes, because that's what I do.
That's funny. I really thought you were just over there like...
Well, you're getting the character.
The way that goes, I can't remember. It goes like this, I think. Is that how that goes? What am I doing wrong? It's late.
Are you being serious right now?
People are going, man, you don't know what the freak you're doing.
You being serious?
Tell it to my precision turbo.
Oh, hold on. Get that rag out of there.
Oh, shit. Good thing you were here. Ah, man, probably should loosen that as well.
Man, that was a crisp fit.
Oh, it's like I've done this before. Man, feels good.
You back. Back with more boost.
More boost, more haters. You know, I love you guys. Heat it up, Santa. I'm getting cold for Christmas. Oh, we're good.
Yeah, get a cold start going here.
This one's for Teddy Westside 412. Cold starts are us.
I call this a dead start.
Yeah.
This is a resurrection start.
This is like an Easter. She was crucified.
I don't think Mom's gonna find that joke too funny. He's already getting boost drunk.
I'm something.
Not even
any alcohol in my veins right now. Oh, Teddy's like, yeah, I haven't been drinking a lot today. I quit for a day. And I was back on it.
That is a big turbo.
Yeah. Alright guys, it is 12:52 a.m. 5:27. The S2000 is done, completed.
We didn't put the hood on.
We're not running the hood anymore. So, I'll hook up the battery, see if she fires up. So
this is where it's gonna get real.
You ready for this?
Oh, so sweet. I didn't see any fireballs. Didn't automatically engage the starter. Nice. Easy, guys. A kid-friendly channel.
Wait till we're doing Take Across for a reaction video.
I was gonna say you'll get in trouble for child endangerment with that one. I don't know. You're gonna have to tripod this thing up or something because I got some more tuning to do.
Oh, let's go.
Guy, when it comes to tuning, there's no one better. Why are you so worried about a little CO?
I've seen people die from it.
Yeah, you know how much CO I've sucked in the past and not died?
See how
That's good. Don't lift that thing up too high. Okay, we got oil.
Oil. Tighten that oil. Coolant. What's next? Oh, make the haters cry.
Man, I didn't even see you write that on there.
If I was real cool, I'd do the camera.
I am very anxious.
To say the least.
To see if this dart-and-sleeved Brian Crower, I feel like I've been lost at sea for days.
Yeah.
All dirty. Dude, if this thing doesn't work, I am just...
Man, I look dirty. Oh my gosh, you didn't tell me. Look how dirty I am.
That's what happens when you're working on cars.
Ah, man. Ah, I'm making it worse. I look like a big fat chewing.
You almost need to get a reaction of your face.
It's either gonna go clunk clunk or it'll be sweet.
And I'll tell you what, if this thing does fire up and run, you'll have the biggest smile on your face for probably the whole entire ride home.
Really? I literally couldn't sleep last night. It was like Christmas. I was so excited to get into this. Are we ready to fire her up? You wanna move that Harley out of the way? I can just see it like accidentally starting and you just taking off like that.
Yeah. That doesn't sound good.
Oh, it always does that.
Put that window down. Don't accidentally like start that or something. You just primed that fuel pump. You just primed that fuel pump, guy.
That's the only way to get the window to go down.
Okay. Hold on, let's see what. You have to cycle the key again.
What?
We got 40 pounds of pressure.
Is that good?
40 pounds of pressure. 0 leaks.
Damn, nice.
That's real good. Guarantee right now, if you bump that little red button there, this thing would fire up and prorate the life.
Oh man, do you want me to turn it off or you?
Well, I think my computer's somehow like trying to update or something.
Oh, of course. You know why? Because it's a freaking Windows.
Yeah, they don't make this software for Mac.
We're low on gas. Yeah, I think I just filled this up right before. Man, this thing is like a cockpit in here. Can I get that on record?
It should start.
So should we try and start it?
Man, I'm like nervously excited.
Yeah. I need to get like both of our faces in this. Should we go for it?
Clutch in, out of gear, parking brake on.
Yeah. Send it.
Fire it up. Get ready to shut it off if we have to.
You ready?
Fire it up.
Well, the bolt's not in there, right?
Dude, that sounds good.
Holy shit.
That sounds real good.
Damn. Man. She's back. She's back.
Yeah, turbo's spooling.
Woo. Damn. How's our coolant looking?
Probably add some more.
Damn, that fired up so fun. First try. First can try.
Dude, that thing sounds 1,000 times better.
There's smoke from the breather. Is there?
Oh man, it's actually sucking.
Damn. Let me send Teddy a video. She sounds mean. It's got a nice growl to it.
What do you think?
Oh, it's sweet.
Not even being that guy, but like the air fuel ratio is perfect. The ignition timing is perfect. It's idling perfect. 1,000 RPM. What do you think?
Oh, I'm so excited. I'm excited that that nut wasn't in there. It didn't just go, oh, clunk. 2, that it didn't do that anyways. 3, there's no oil spewing anywhere. It sounds great. It fired up on the first try. Like, literally. Man. This is what America is made of. Dreams are made of. I was so nervous. You're right, I didn't want to get in there and start revving her.
Oh, I told you. You remember what time we started it?
Probably 5 minutes ago.
Oh, fan kicked on. Nice. Oh, that's sweet. Fans are working. Temperature's working.
I'm so excited that bolt wasn't in there.
Nut.
Bolt, Teddy. It's probably in my pocket at home. Got the bolt Teddy snapped. And we got this guy, which we weren't filming any of that. We should have been filming all that.
Yeah.
Beep, 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 beep.
What do you think, man?
Really trying to steep it up.
Fountain spring you gonna put
What
in?
can I say to all the haters who commented on all the videos? Thanks for using terrible grammar and I get to correct you and make you look like a dumbass. 2. 3, you whip all your asses at the track. Probably shouldn't put any of this in the video.
Damn, you should put all this in the video.
Alright, sorry mom. So
We'll see all the keyboard warriors at the track.
We'll see all yeah. You guys with your RC cars and racing simulators, we'll see you. I mean, it's been a journey, you know? It's been a fucking journey. You may turn this off if you want.
You can turn it off if fans aren't running anyways. We're back down on our temp. I don't know. We let it run pretty good. I mean,
yeah. I'd say we can let it run a little bit longer tomorrow.
Yeah.
Or whenever, and then.
I mean, it got up to operating temperature. Watch that wire.
Change the oil.
That could have blew your freaking window right out.
You mean unplug this or?
Still hooked up. Well, I mean, that's pretty much what dreams are made of. Working hard at something for months, putting in the time, the effort, driving to Virginia and back.
Twice.
Overcoming a knock sensor obstacle.
Yeah. Thanks to AutoZone. Shout out to those guys. That was like literally less than 12 hours.
Yeah.
Maybe more than 12 hours.
It's pretty close, I mean.
Which I wonder if they have to have like a huge warehouse somewhere.
Yeah, they said like 80,000 parts you can get next day.
So, alright, don't end that yet. Alright, well, that ends it for this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the guys that always believed in us. And we'll see you probably tomorrow. You got anything to say?